Hello everyone, I am Anoma. Welcome to my kitchen. Now you all know all the ingredients and the coconut milk. So it's time to cook. Today I am going to make a tasty dal curry. Dal curry is very popular in Sri Lanka. It is very popular among rich, poor, old, young. It is everyone's favorite. So some people they make dal curry every day. Some make for every meal. So dal curry is a very tasty one and it is very easy to make. So it is a good treat for vegan. Let's make it. There are so many ways to cook dal curry. So today I am going to show you two ways, the creamy version and the spicy version. I have half a cup dal washed and drained, and here homemade coconut milk, thick milk, thin milk, and curry leaves, garlic, green chilies, pandan leaves, red onions. And spices, for the creamy version I will use turmeric, curry powder, small piece of cinnamon and fenugreek seeds and salt. And for spicy version, with all these ingredients plus chili flakes, I have two separate pans. This is a clay pot. So I will put the dal here, lentil, half a cup washed and drained, and then another half a cup to this pan. This is also washed. So I have two separate sets for these two. I am going to cut the green chilies. So this is optional. If you can't find this, you can make without this. And the red onions. This is the garlic. I am going to put all these into the dal, and pandan leaves and the curry leaves. And to this garlic, green chili and the red onions. So curry leaves, pandan leaves. Salt is always as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon curry powder only for this one, the creamier version. This is the creamy curry. Small piece of cinnamon to both, and pinch of fenugreek seeds, this much, roughly about 10 seeds of fenugreek. So this is my spicy version. So I am going to add the 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, but this is up to your taste. You can add 1/4 teaspoon, half a teaspoon, that is up to you. So here I have half a cup of dal. For that I am using 3/4 cup of thin milk. So I am going to pour this and stir Now on the heat, cover the lid, and for this also I took 3/4 cup of thin milk to this one. This is the spicy one with the chili flakes. So I'm going to on the heat and cover the lid until the coconut milk boils. This way is a healthy way, but some people they like to temper the dal curry. Temper means after finish cooking we heat some oil and add garlic, red onions, curry leaves, and we fry the whole thing. The garlic, red onions we fry until golden and we pour it to the curry. For this tempering we call in Sinhalese temperadu. Temperadu karanawa. Here I have red onions, garlic, and dried chilies without seeds. We do like this. We cut the chili and we remove all the seeds like this, and then cut it into small pieces. So we add this to tempering. If you can't find the red onions, you can use the normal cooking onion, the big ones, and the curry leaves, and also we add little bit of mustard seeds. Until my curry boils, I am going to prepare the onions for tempering. See, my coconut milk is boiling. Now turn down the heat to medium low and stir. It's not done yet. So I cover the lid, medium low heat, cook another 1 minute. This one also boiling, so you have to stir and cover it again. These are not done yet, and let it cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. See this one, now it's already cooked. See, this is cooked. So half a cup of thick milk. After adding thick milk, you have to cook the curry for about 1 minute. Now this is cooked. Now it's done. Now it's time to add the thick milk. So I'm adding half a cup of thick milk, and I'm going to cook this lid, open lid, for another 1 minute. Now my curry is ready. This is 1 minute after adding the thick milk. Now it's done. I'm going to serve this. So this is my spicy version of dal curry with the chili flakes. Smells so good. You can eat this with hot rice. Here is my creamier version. So I am going to serve only half of this. To the other half, I am going to do the tempering. Creamy version of dal curry. My dal curries are ready now. I'm going to temper the dal. So for that I add some coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Now my coconut oil is hot, so I add some mustard seeds. I will add my curry leaves, garlic and the red onions. Always heat should be very low, otherwise this will get burnt. So at this point I am going to add my chili pieces without seeds. You can see my onions are golden, light golden brown. So I'm going to pour this into this curry. This is we call tempering. In Sinhalese we call this temperadu. This is tempered dal curry with mustard seeds, with fried onions. This is creamy version and healthy version. This is tasty, both are tasty. Especially we do this in a special occasion, when visitors comes, for extra tastiness we temper this dal. These are my dal curries, 3 types. This one is spicy version, spicy curry with the chili flakes, and this is the creamy version, only the coconut milk, no chili. Here the creamy version with the tempered fried onions, fried chili pieces, mustard, everything is there. Now you know how to make dal curry, so you can eat this with hot rice. So join me next time where I will show you how to make another tasty curry with love.